Want to change your life? Start by changing your mindset and behavior. Here is how to do it in 60 seconds. Number 1. Awareness. First, become aware of your current mindset. Ask yourself, what beliefs are holding me back? Many people stay stuck because they never question their own thinking. Number 2. Replace the thought. Second, replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I am learning how to do this. Your brain slowly adapts to the thoughts you repeat. Number 3. Take small actions. Change your behavior through small daily actions. Big changes don't happen overnight. Consistency rewires your habits and builds a new mindset over time. Change your thoughts, take small actions, and repeat daily. That is how mindsets and behavior truly change. And follow for more quick psychology insights.